My research project is InfernoGuard, and we're an early-stage startup developing a solution to empower landowners to make better decisions for wildfire season. Our mission at InfernoGuard is to provide landowners with the tools that they need to take action against the growing wildfire crisis. Early detection is really key to addressing wildfires. In our customer interviews, we found that 100% of landowners rely on word of mouth. Our proprietary risk analysis software can remotely analyze any landowner's property across the US and create a color-coded intuitive map of wildfire risk across their property, providing valuable insights to drive mitigation decisions, bringing them one step closer towards eradicating the megafire crisis. One of the most valuable parts of my work with InfernoGuard has been this journey of being a student founder, being a college student, but also an entrepreneur. FastForwardU here at Hopkins really helped me advance this project by giving me access to incredible resources and mentorship, not only in the industry, but with collaborating with my peers and other student inventors at Hopkins, and being able to have that network and community of like-minded individuals who are all really committed and passionate to their projects. Currently, we're really excited about the risk assessment software that we're developing, and then in the long term, we're excited to partner with other key players in the space, including forestry consultant companies for mitigation efforts, as well as hardware vendors to really scale our product and bring it out to the landowners who need it most. There's nothing quite as rewarding as the real-world hands-on experience of getting to talk to customers, build a relationship with them, and using that information to create technology that can really improve millions of lives across the globe.